In today's lesson, our topic is about regression. So, in statistics, regression is a set of statistical processes for determining the relationships between a dependent variable and one or more independent variable. So, if we all know that y equals a plus bx is the equation for or of a straight line where a is the y-intercept and b is the gradient. So if I'm given this straight line equation, which is y equals 2x plus 3, and I want to draw this equation on this grid. So I know that the y-intercept is equal to 3, so my line should start at 0, 3. So the y-intercept, as you all know, it's where my line cuts the y-axis. And I'm given that the gradient is equal to 2, so given the gradient and the y-intercept, I draw this straight line. Now, if the points on a scatter diagram follow a linear pattern such as this linear pattern here, a straight line can be used as a model for the relationship, and this line will be called a line of best fit. So, whenever I'm asked to draw a scatter diagram, so I have first to check whether my points follow a linear pattern. So if they follow a linear pattern, I can say that a straight line can be used as a model for the relationship in question. In this example, it says a company would like to predict what the sales of their new shops are going to be. The size of the towns and the sales are given in a table. So on the x-axis, I have the town size, while on the y-axis, I have the sales. I have to draw a scatter diagram, and then I have to draw the line of best fit through the points. So the first step is to draw my scatter diagram. So on the x-axis, I have the town size, while on the y-axis I have the sales. So when x is 18, y is 48. So here on the x-axis I have 18, I go up till I reach 48 and I plot my first point. Now when x is 26, y is 62, so on the x-axis I have, or I go to 26, so over here, and then I go up till I reach y equals 62, and I plot that point. Now, I will continue the same procedure for the rest of the points until I get my scatter diagram. Now, after I plot all the points in question, I have to draw the line of best fit. But the question is how to draw this line or the line of best fit. Now, the line of best fit should be drawn in a way that the number of points below the line should equal to the number of points above the line. So I may have 5 points below the line and 5 points above the line. So that's correct. Or I may have 5 points below the line but 4 points above the line. So they don't have to be exactly equal, but they should be close or very close enough. I can draw a line in a way that the number of points above the line is let's say 8, while the number of points below the line is 5. So there's a difference between 8 and 5. So I can have 10, 10, 10, 9, or 9, 10. So in that sense. So for this scatter graph, This red line is the line of best fit because if I count the number of points above that line, so I have 1, 2, 3, these 2 points, I'm not going to count them because the line is passing through them. So the number of points above the red line is 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the number of points below the red line. So here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 3 points above while 4 points below. So they are very close to each other, so I can say that this line of best fit is definitely correct.